My child, often we find ourselves evading our troubles because we are afraid to confront our weaknesses head on. We shy away from acknowledging the less than ideal aspects of our lives and instead create an idealistic image of ourselves through fantasies or narratives we have picked up from various sources. This fabricated image distorts our perception, convincing us that we are inherently deserving of the best that life has to offer. But when challenges arise that force us to confront our limitations, we tend to avoid them altogether. Why? Because admitting our weaknesses requires us to humble our egos, a process that can be quite daunting. Rather than facing reality, we seek refuge in distractions. We turn to substances like alcohol or drugs or immerse ourselves in fictional worlds to escape feelings of inadequacy and powerlessness. We consume narratives that encourage a victim mentality, shifting blame onto external factors for our problems. Some of us even rely on relationships, hoping that others will solve our issues for us. However, the truth is that running away only serves to amplify your problems. They accumulate, gaining strength until they become too overwhelming to ignore. No matter how far or how fast we run, our problems eventually catch up to us, demanding our attention and action. Neglecting our physical and mental well-being, financial struggles, or lack of social skills only sets us up for more significant challenges in the future. We may try to bury these issues deep down, but they continue to nag at us, contributing to feelings of despair and hopelessness. Avoiding problems doesn't make them vanish, it merely delays the inevitable confrontation. It's a form of cowardice that undermines our reliability and dependability. Making excuses or pointing fingers at external circumstances only further reveals our reluctance to take ownership. Life isn't a paradise where we can escape our troubles. It's a battlefield where we must confront obstacles head on. We can either choose to confront our challenges and grow stronger or let them consume us. We are wired to avoid pain, yet we possess the resilience to endure it. The key lies in choosing which path to embrace, the path of growth and resilience or the path of avoidance and stagnation. Stop trying to run and fix yourself. Let's bravely face our challenges head on. It's time to work hard, build resilience, pursue growth, and make sacrifices for our well-being and prosperity. Let's acknowledge our weaknesses and confront our challenges with courage and determination. It's time to choose our path and transform adversity into opportunity. Click here to watch more to get motivated for life. Wake up.